Hello! Welcome back to Making Songs with Mo. I'm your host, Mo Phillips. Welcome to session 2. That's 4. Welcome back to session 2. We're going to do some lyrics today. It's going to be pretty awesome. We're actually going to go back in time to like a month ago to see old Mo, who had a great idea how to show friends how to make lyrics using the computer and this stuff. We're going to check in with him. He is a little old and weird, and he called it lesson 2, not session 2. There's no difference between those things. I don't know why he's confused, and I don't know why I'm confused, but you shouldn't be confused. We're just going to talk about lyrics. It's going to be great. So, Old Mo is going to talk to you about lyrics, the words of the song, and rhymes, and putting things together, and it's going to be fun and cool. And then New Mo, present Mo, this me, I'm going to come back and talk to you about melody, how you sing the song, the notes and the patterns, and we're going to use the lyrics that Old Mo made up to create a little bit of a song. It's going to be easy peasy. You're going to love it. And we're going to do it with our voices, but I'll also probably use some instruments just to show you how I do it. Because you might be like, hey, how do you do it? And I'll show you how I do it. Cool? Okay. So hang tight, chill out, have fun. We're going to check in with him now. Hello, friends. Here we are, lesson 2, lyrics. Let's talk about lyrics, the words of a song. It's pretty cool. The things you're singing. This is fun. Check it out. I've got all this little space right here where I'm going to show you about lyrics. Let's start with talking about rhymes. Rhymes are crazy. Rhymes. I spell rhymes. Can you rhyme? Rhyme? What is rhyme? A rhyme is two words that sound the same. Rhyme. Time. Time. Mine. That's fine. Eat a line. Those are all rhymes. You knew that though, didn't you? Sure you did. Well, the thing about rhymes is that they don't have to look exactly the same. A lot of these do. If you look at them, look, they all look the same, kind of. They got these E's here and these I's going on. But that's not necessarily the case. Like, it doesn't have to look the same. If you think about that Mo Phillips song, you guys familiar with Mo Phillips? That's me. If you think about that Mo Phillips song, Occasional Yogurt, it says yogurt and over. Occasional yogurt is coming right over, right? And the thing is with that is you got this situation here, yogurt and over. They sound the same, even though it's two O's. O, 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 and O, right? Those sound the same, yogurt and over. Usually when we think about rhymes, when we learned about them, it was like, hey, cat rhymes with hat. Oops, hat. And we said, well, the end of the word is the same, so that's what makes it a rhyme, you know?
I think he's right.
And that's totally true. If the words are the same looking, then it's a rhyme, usually. But it doesn't have to be, because look at yogurt and over. Yogurt and over have, different letters. They share some, those R's. Okay? Let's look at another one. Ready, spaghetti. Why are they underlined? Let's de-underline those. These ones, red and spaghetti, there's the E's. Ooh, E's. They rhyme. Ready, spaghetti. And then they have this situation too, where the Y rhymes with the I. Ready, spaghetti. Okay? But the words don't look totally the same, right? They're different. Anyways, rhyming is really cool. Essentially, it goes like this. If it sounds the same, it's a rhyme, which is kind of bonkers, but it's true.
How's he doing?
Seems to be doing
Does he
pretty
have
good.
that right? Is that correct?
I'm pretty sure that's how rhymes work. That's how you use a rhyme. I believe him. Does that sound right to you guys? Yeah. Yeah. No, good job, old Mo. Real good.
He's in charge. He's the pro. He's the pro.
Yeah. Okay. No. Okay.
He's the pro.
Okay.
He's the one.
So we're gonna make a rhyming song, and we're just gonna see what works. And you can always mess with rhymes. I'm gonna start to write a line of a song right now, and you could think of things that would work after this line. So, for instance, I'm gonna write about something that's been troubling me. I'm gonna say this is the first line of my song. I've been having trouble with
I don't know what he's talking about.
technology. Technology. That's the first line of my song. Now, the rhymes and songs come at the end of the line. So the last word here, that's the one we got to rhyme with. Technology. And we really have to
Trust
rhyme
him,
with
he's a
this last
professional.
little bit here. Right? I'm going to even highlight that a little bit. Let's highlight this situation. Whoop. Well, that didn't work. Ology. Boom. That's really where the rhyme is at. OG. Really just G. It's funny. That's how rhymes work. So you could say, I've been having trouble with technology. What sounds like G? Um, computers always get the best of, yeah, me. Computers always get the best of me. Okay, that's my little rhyme. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. Right now, what I've got going on is something called an AA rhyme scheme, where I've got A line rhymes with another A line. Okay, and then I'm going to make two lines down here that are B lines, and they're going to rhyme with each other. So let's song about it. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. Um, so I might throw this one out the door. And now I've got to rhyme with what word? The last word of the line, which for us now is here, door. So I got to rhyme with door. You think of something that rhymes with door? That might also make sense with this idea. It's going to be a B line. Okay, so we have right here. Let's see, we got A. Let's see, we can do it. A, whoop, and A. Now B and B. So let's see. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. So I might throw this one out the door. I know it rhymes with door. More. Then I won't have to use it any.
I don't know what I'm doing. Listen to
For
him.
my lyrics. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. So I might throw this one out the door, that I won't have to use it anymore. You might notice that there's a rhythm to my speaking. It's because each line has a very similar amount of syllables. Syllables are the beats, right? I've been having trouble with technology is 11. Computers always get the best of me is 10. That's close enough. For songwriting, as long as there are a couple syllables within each other, that's good. So I might throw this one out the door. That's 9. Then I won't have to use it anymore. That's 10. So again, close enough. Cool. All right. We've got our rhythm. These guys dialed in. Um, And that'll help us when we get to the adding the melody part, when we get to that part of singing. But right now, this is looking pretty good in terms of saying what I'm feeling, which is an important part of lyrics. We'll talk about that later too. But this is what I've been feeling about technology. Um, and then getting some rhymes going because we were trying to make it a rhyming song. Cool. Here's the thing though, a lot of songs aren't A B B. You could have a song that was B, A again, and B again. A B rhyme scheme, where the two A's, they rhyme, and the two B's rhyme, right? You could do that. A lot of times, it's easier to do this, where you make it A B C B. That way you can say, let's just keep going with this idea of this song. Um, now, now my computer is broken. That's okay with me. Now, C doesn't have to run with A, right? They're different lines. So think I'll just go outside, and we have to rhyme with what? B and B. So the end of the B line is me. So I'm going to have to rhyme with that. Now my computer's broken. That's okay with me. I think I'll go outside and maybe climb a tree. Boom. I like these backslashes too. They tell me when the phrase is over. Boom. Now my computer's broken. That's okay with me. Think I'll just go outside and maybe climb a tree. Lyrics. Cool? All right.
We're back. That's pretty cool. Nice job, old Mo. Way to figure out some lyrics, man. Put it together. That's pretty awesome. So now it's our job to do the second part of that equation I had talked about. Lyrics plus melody equals song. Right? Okay. So we got to put that together. We've got the lyrics. Now we need the melody. And melody, as I've mentioned many times, is just a pattern of notes. And we can all make notes with our voices. If you just make a sound like this. Ah. I mean, that was a note. It wasn't the prettiest note, but it was a note. You can try singing to yourself. Just, ah. Oh. Ooh. Now make a pattern. And maybe, up and downers with the pitch. We talked about pitch in the first session. Well, try some up and downers. Ah. Some la 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 la. Or try going up and then way down or something. La la la. Ooh. La la la. La 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 blah 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 blah. I mean that's all the melody. But what you want to do is match it to the lyrics. Now there's a lot of ways people make songs. Sometimes people start with melody, or sometimes they don't even start with melody or lyrics, and they just start with an instrument and they're playing something like a chord progression is when you play a bunch of chords on an instrument like a piano or a guitar. And you come up with something nice that you like. Something like, I don't know. Something, I don't know. You come up with a progression and then you start to fill it in with lyrics and melody. We have lyrics, so we're going to add a melody to it. Now, if you remember, the first line of Old Mo's lyrics was, I've been having trouble with technology. Let's just start right there. Try singing that to yourself. I've been having trouble with technology. But yeah, no, pretend like you're in the opera, or pretend like you're in a rock band or whatever. Just have fun. Doesn't even matter if there's people in your home that can hear you, because you're here to party, and so they can just like join the party or get lost. So go ahead and do your thing. I've been having trouble with technology. How would you sing it? I like that. That's good. That's good. This is gonna be my first attempt. I've been having trouble with technology. That's kind of nice. That kind of was a nice vibe to it. I've been having trouble with technology. What was the next line? Computers always get the best of me. What if we do the same melody? Computers always get the best of me. Yeah. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. Ooh, I went up on that second line, huh? Just to mix it up a little bit. As a songwriter, that's something I like to do. Is I don't make the melody the exact same each line. You mix it up a little bit so your listener's like, ooh, surprise, something new. You want something new for your listener. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. And so I threw this one out the door. Then I won't have to use it anymore. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. So I threw this one out the door. So I might throw this one out the door. Then I won't have to use it anymore. Cool. I don't know what key I'm in. That doesn't matter to you, but I'm going to see if I can figure it out on guitar. I've been having trouble with technology. Oh, interesting. E5. I've been having trouble with technology. 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 Computers always get the best of me. I might throw this one out the door. And I won't have to use it anymore. I've been having trouble with technology. Computers always get the best of me. So I might throw this one out the door. And I won't have to use it anymore. Now my computer is broken. We're not ready for that. Wait! Slow down! Slow down! So, we got some lyrics. I made up a melody. And now we have kind of a song. We have the beginnings of a song. What we're going to do next week is we are going to figure out how to organize our song on the next session. How do we fit these parts together? That's what we'll work on next week. So, for this week, what you should do at home is write 4 lines of lyrics. Make up a new song with lyrics. Or a new beginning, I should say. See if you can get a rhyme scheme going. Will it be A-A-B-B? Will it be A-B-A-B? Will it be A-B-C-B? What are you going to do? I don't know. It's up to you. But see if you can make 4 lines. And if you like those 4, see if you can get 4 more. Yeah, go for it. And then see if you can sing them. How would you sing it? What kind of music do you like? You know? Can you sing it in the way, in the style of somebody that you really enjoy their music? Give it a shot. That's the idea, right? So see if you can make 4 or 8 lines even, and try singing along. And then, once you've created something, if you wrote the lyrics and you made a melody, record it. Make your lyrics, make a melody, make sure you record it if you can, so that you remember how it goes. Unless you just sing it a gazillion times, then you'll just remember how it goes. That's another option. Your brain is also a very good voice memo. You just gotta pound it in there. Okay, I really like seeing you again. You might say, "Well, you can't see us." Oh, no. No. I can see you. I'm staring into your soul. It's beautiful. You got a beautiful soul. It's a really lovely soul. You have a beautiful soul. Oh. And it really moved me to see it. Okay. Bye. Take care of yourself. No, go.